Then the next thing I wanna do, I wanna change the theme of our website. So to do it, from left, hover over on appearance. From there, click on themes. Here we can see some of the themes. Actually, these are also came with the default WordPress installation, but I don't wanna use any of these themes. So to add a new theme, let's now click here on this big button. It says add new theme. I'm clicking here. And here within the WordPress theme directory, we can see a lot of free themes. Themes are basically the look and feel of your website. Like here we can see tons of free themes. If you select this theme, your website would look kinda like this theme. If you select this one, Cadency, your website would look something like this. But I just don't want to use any random theme because I personally like a theme that says Astra. So here I'm searching for Astra. It's actually super lightweight and definitely it would make your website more faster. So here is the Astra theme. Let's now click here on install and then click on activate to activate the Astra theme. Cool, we have successfully installed and activated Astra theme. Now let's close this notification. So I'm closing this. Now I wanna install some plugins into our website, but before that I wanna create a free Elementor account because we will be needed that very shortly. So to create a free Elementor account, you can just go to jimfahaddigital.com. I will put this page's link in the description. From that page here under important links, just click on get Elementor free version. Now from here, let's just click on try the free version, because in this tutorial we will be using the free version of Elementor page builder. They have a pro version of Elementor and I personally love the pro version, but for this specific tutorial we don't need Elementor Pro. Now from here you just need to put your email address here like this. Oops. And within the password field you just need to set a password, then click on create account. Your Elementor free account will be created within a second. So just go ahead and create a free Elementor account because we will be needing that very soon. Alright, let's just close this tab for now and we can go back inside WordPress dashboard. Okay, now I just wanna install and activate some free plugins. So to do it, from left, hover over on plugins. From there, now click on add new. As we have already created our Elementor free account, we just need to install the Elementor page builder from here. So just click here Elementor, search here Elementor, and here you go. It says Elementor website builder. This is our awesome Elementor page builder. We will be creating our all pages by using this awesome tool. So to install it, just click on install now and then click on activate. So Elementor has been installed and activated successfully. Let's now install our next plugin. So from here under plugins, click on add new, and this time from the search bar I'm searching for essential add-ons, and here you go. It says essential add-ons for Elementor. Let's click on install now and then click on activate. Then I just wanna do this basic setup, so keep it basic and click on next. Let's keep it as it is. Just scroll down and click on next. Also click on next, next, and then I don't want to install any of these plugins. Just click on next, and here I'm clicking no thanks, and it says congratulations. Cool. So we have installed this plugin as well. Now I wanna install another plugin, and we will be using that plugin to create our contact form. So now from here, hover over on plugins and click on add new. This time here I'm searching for mate form. So here mate form I'm typing. I was searching for this one. It says mate form Elementor contact form builder. So let's click on install now and then let's activate it. So right now we have these three plugins installed and activated. Those are Elementor, essential add-ons for Elementor, and mate form.